Yes, it snowed. Yes, it did. I know you're excited about it. Me too. Let's go check it out, Rocky. She's like, what is this stuff? There's a lot, I know. This is a lot of fun, huh, Kira? I agree. Down you go. There you go, big boy. That's some drifting here. Well, that's a lot of snow, huh, Kira? Gotta walk through it. Yup, that's what you gotta do. That's a big drift. One thing fun about the snow is that it's a no leash day. We just run because nobody else is going to be out in this craziness. Kira's so happy. Yeah. Come on, down to the park we're going. It's just us. Kira's making the most of this. This is fantastic. We have like, I don't know, 7 or 8 inches in some spots, a few inches in other spots. It's windy, it's cold. It is deserted, nobody comes out. Which means we can do whatever we want. Down here at the park, it's about 7:30 a.m. Beautiful day. It's going to be a great day. Have fun.
All right, so I just jumped in the inlet. Probably not the smartest thing I've ever done, but I did it, and now I'm back. I'm alive. I mean, listen, I'm just trying to live life, you know, to the fullest, feel every moment. Hey, hey, honey, how you doing? So this is my Blizzard omelet for Shannon. It's got prosciutto, fresh mozzarella, and roasted peppers, and some fried onions. Gonna flip that baby over. That's gonna be good.
Hi! Is it a good snow day?
Yes.
What color are you gonna put on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he knows what to do.
What?
It does.
Wait a minute. Feel good?
I have foam green right here. Should I put it
Ah,
like that?
okay.
This
Feel
is
back.
gonna look
Feel back.
fantastic. I have foam black. I have it.
Happy.
I'm so
Happy
glad.
day. You like snow days? Me too. Being snowed in at the beach is fun, right?
Should we make a fire, Nick?
Okay.
You want me to play some music for you?
Okay.
All right, that's a good day.
That's gonna be a good day, handsome. Mosaic.
Yeah, this was a night. Was this in the closet of like
Yeah,
crafts?
Grandma bought these for him for Christmas.
Nikki.
Memorial.
Nikki,
Yes.
put some pieces
What
on.
color?
This is gonna look amazing.
Oh no.
You're doing a great job, buddy.
Oh.
Oh, it's a good day.
Yeah.
Such a
Snow
good day.
day!
I gotta make a fire.
Yes.
Feel back. Feel back.
Nikki, this came out unbelievably fantastic. You like the shark? Yes, that's a happy.
Why, yeah.
I'm not taking you out right now. Kira was comfortable by the fire. You guys, that's your spot. Stay there. Right there. Nikki, you are digging on this blizzard day, huh? Did you have some ice cream?
Okay.
Is it delicious?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so glad. Happy. Rocky's knocked out. He's had enough. Shan, I'm not saying you should jump in the inlet with me because I know that's not for everyone. But what if we had our coffee out in the cold room? We can call it the cold room today. It's kind of like being outside, Shan.
Yeah, I like inside, John.
I know, but this is like
You
this.
see the snowdrifts over here?
This will get you close to the elements.
I'm close enough. Look how close.
Oh, Chan, it's beautiful in here. You don't understand the beauty. Snowdrifts.
Snowdrift. Oh God, no.
Well, come on out, Shan. Come sit in here. You got to Wim Hof with me. You got to do the breathing. Can't even get the door open, can we? I mean, it's not that bad. Everybody makes such a big deal. All right, coffee time. Nikki, did you make cookies?
Yes.
Oh man, these are my favorite too. These are going to be delicious.
Crinkles.
They're crinkle cookies, Shannon?
Yeah.
Ooh. That is very exciting. It's like snow days are the best. Right over here. Fantastic.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, listen, I know you're playing in the sink. I think you should wash those dishes.
Come on.
What?
Come on.
He's like, I'm not washing. I just play over here.
Just play. Makes sense.
Ah,
Very good. So Nikki just demanded that Shannon go outside and fix a tree. And Shannon very quickly said, I'm not going outside. Good luck with that. Nikki said, no good luck with that. He didn't like that at all, right, Shannon?
No, not at all.
No good luck with that. And Shannon said, if you want it fixed, you go upstairs and get your boots and go fix it. And he marched upstairs, and I thought he was just going to go upstairs and watch TV.
No.
He's back with his boots. He's ready to go fix that tree. Are you going to fix the tree?
Yes.
Yes. All right, let's do it. We're going to facilitate this.
Yeah?
Should we wear a coat?
Yes.
Cold.
You need to put
It's
your
cold.
coat on. It's freezing.
Well, he might be like Wim Hof.
Do I cold?
I'm wearing a coat.
Cold?
The dogs are excited.
She just knocked you down.
Make this happen. We can do this. We're gonna fix that tree. Now, I have slippers on at this point, though. I mean, it's.
You can't go out there in those. You'll wreck
So we're gonna send Nick out on his own. You don't want to wear a coat?
Yes.
Okay. Whatever.
Do I cold?
Okay. Don't worry about it.
You don't have to wear
He's
a
just
coat.
gonna fix something and come back in. I just gotta take the gate down
Do
for
I
him.
cold it?
Okay, buddy.
Do I cold?
Can you leave your phone inside so it doesn't get wet?
Get my side.
Oh, it's going in his pocket.
Do I cold?
You don't have to wear the coat. Don't worry about it. You're just gonna go out, fix the tree, and come back in.
Want to hold the phone? Yes.
Oh, look at this. Unlocking the door. Good job. Should the dogs come? Give that to mommy. That's it.
Oh, he doesn't fall down the stairs.
Careful, Nikki. Go ahead, doggies. Go protect him. Can you get that open? He did. Go, 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 go. Come on, Rocky. Rocky's scared to go down there. Oh, God. They're going to break the gate. Put your hands up. Did you fix it? Oh, no. You finding more sticks to fix? It's really nice outside. You should come outside, Shan. Come on, Kira. That's a great job. Give me a high five. I'm proud of you. Way to go. Oof, yeah, it's cold. All right, dogs, back in. Oh, goodness gracious. Nikki, that snow is so deep. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Wow, it's so deep. Kira loves it. Are you getting cold yet? Well, then we should go inside where it's warm. That's a great job, buddy. Way to go. Good job fixing the stick.
Whoa.
All right, that was good.
Do you want to go get new pants? They're wet and snowy. Go ahead.
Great job. Now we're talking, Shannon. Nice work, girl.
Blizzard cookies.
Blizzard cookies. I like that name.